Hi everyone, welcome back to Craft Time. I'm so excited you're here today. We're working on the letter G. G for Gumball machine. So get out all your craft supplies and templates and let's get started. Let's take a look at what we need to do this craft today. In front of me I have my Gumball machine template that I've drawn. There's a big circle and something that looks like a lid. As well, I have two different sheets of stickers, a piece of red paper, and what could be any color background. I chose blue. Now to begin, let's put these to the side and let's get our red out so that we can color in the top of the Gumball machine. I'm just going to grab a red marker. You can grab a marker or a crayon, whatever you like, and let's just go ahead and color this part in. Now we're going to be cutting this out. So don't worry if you're not exactly behind the line. Perfect, I'm going to go up over here. Now the reason I chose red is because a lot of the Gumball machines that I've seen are red, but if you want to do a different color, that's okay too. I just want to be able to match the paper that I have. Perfect. So that lid is done. The next thing I'm going to do is just take my scissors and very carefully cut out my lid first. So let's take that and just cut the shape out. Be sure to watch your fingers as always, making sure to be safe. I'm going to go around now because I used markers. My paper is a little bit wet, so I'm just going to go more slowly. Just like that. And there you go. And I can go back in and I can cut out the white section so that I don't have to recolor it. That looks good. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it to the side, and now I have my lid. So let's go ahead and take our circle and cut out the circle too. We're going to be using this circle to put our gumballs in. Now circles can be tricky, so be sure to take your time, go slowly, and do the best you can. Wonderful. That's exactly what I wanted to do. So now we know that we have the Gumball machine, which is the glass that holds the gumballs. We have a lid that we can put on top. But of course we're missing something. We're missing the bottom of the Gumball machine. So this is where my red piece of paper comes in. So let's slide the red piece of paper underneath. This is why we didn't glue it on yet. I'm going to grab a black marker, I think. You can grab whatever color you like. But I just want to go down this way and down this way. Not a straight line, but a side line. I'm just going to do something that looks a little bit like this. So I'm going almost to the corner, if you like so. Then I'm going to take my marker again and just go across. It doesn't have to be straight. We just want it to look like that. So now that gives me an idea. I'm going to go on in and I'm going to cut on my line. Now if I didn't draw a straight line, I can now just go across and cut it however straight I'd like it, because I'm going to put it the wrong side again and you're not even going to see it when I glue it on. So now let's go ahead, let's grab our glue and glue on the base of our Gumball machine. Just going to put it all over, making sure that I'm pressing enough that the glue comes off, but not too much that it's all smushy. And I'm going to line it up in the middle and at the bottom and just very gently press it down. Now I'm going to go on in and put my white circle. So do the same thing here. I'm going to put it on as close to matching the sides as possible. And put it on like that. And then finally, what I want to do, of course, is put on the lid. So let's go on in and put glue on the wrong side again. So that we can glue it right on top. Like so. Perfect. Lovely. That looks very good. Now what I want to do is I want to put my gumballs in. So this is the part where we just randomly put our stickers on. Now of course, if you don't have stickers, you can draw your gumballs and color them in. And I'm thinking, because we're working on the letter G, we're actually going to create a few gumballs of our own and color them with a color that begins with the letter G. Can you think of what that is? That's right, green. So let's go on in and draw some circles similar size to the stickers. Let's do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that we have our 6, let's color them with green. Green begins with the letter G, a green gumball. Now of course you can go and you can do other colors too. But for now, I'm just going to stick with my stickers and my green. Let's go back and put the gumball stickers right on the page. And we'll do this until we have them all filled up. Now that we've made sure that all of our gumballs are inside of our gumball machine, let's go ahead and grab our black marker and let's create a little door for our gumball machine, right like this. You can do a square, you can do any shape you like, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of shape. And then on it, I'm going to write 25 cents. Because that's how much my gumballs are going to be. And I'll put a little slot right here where the money can go. Maybe down the bottom, I'll add some shapes to make it seem more lively. This is where you get to create whatever you'd like. Maybe you'll put some patterns on, maybe you have additional stickers, or you want to draw on your gumball machine. Whatever you decide is great. Looks good to me. Now I was thinking I just want to add a couple more gumballs. So I'm going to go in and look what spaces there are where I could add a few more and fill in the spots. And then we can go in and color them in another color. So I'm going to choose orange. What color are you going to choose? I'm going to make a few of them orange. Maybe I'll go in and grab another, a purple. Let's make some purple ones. That is a very beautiful, deep purple. And then finally, let's grab another blue. And go on in and make a different shade of blue. There are some very colorful gumballs. And there you have it, friends. Gumball for the letter G. Let's just write the letter G right at the top. There's a big G or a capital G, and then a little g or a lowercase g. Great work. I hope you had fun today making your gumball machine with me. I know I had fun doing it with you. I can't wait to see your photos, and I'll see you next time.